How to cancel Remitly transaction. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel Remitly transactions. Alright, and here is how to go about it. Now, the first step is to sign in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here, and then maybe you decided to send money and then you enter in the amount you want to send. You click on continue, you input in the recipient's address and all of that, and then eventually you realize that you want to cancel the transaction. All you need to do is to go to your transfer history, where you would see your list of transactions being displayed. Okay, so once you go to transfer history, on the transfer history page by the left side of the screen here, you can see that there are different tabs which include all transfers in progress, delivered. If a transaction is delivered already, you cannot cancel it, only if you reach out to the customer support. But if it's in progress, it is still cancelable. So just go to in progress and then locate the particular transaction that you would like to cancel. Click on it. By the right side of the screen, you would see options, all right? And sure, you select the cancel option. Then you'll be asked if you're sure, you'll be asked to state your reasons for that decision. Ensure you fill in your reasons, and then the transaction will be cancelled. But you still have to wait for 2 to 3 business days to receive your money back. All right, that's how it works. But then, if you encounter any issues or you need further assistance, you can always reach out to Remitly support, and then they will guide you through the cancellation process and address any other concerns. So, thanks for watching and have a good day.